Great people, my name is Jan Pieterse. We at the Archive and Heritage Group developed some plugins for AtoM, access to memory. These plugins plug next to AtoM. It does not touch your code, so it is totally separate from AtoM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the features. I'll click on archival description. You'll see we added the GLAM industry, galleries, libraries, more book collections than a library system, archives, museums, and digital asset management. We added a lot of other features which we'll discuss in later sessions. So I'm going to log in. You can see we have a forget password, we have a researcher registration and services, so I will just log in for the session. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an archival description. You can see we can create museum objects, gallery, libraries, and DAM. This is still stock standard AtoM, the rest are all the add-ins. So what I will do is I'll create a AI 24 or 25, which is a test on AI that I'm going to perform. Test AI 25. What is called it? AI test 25. The level of description is an item, a file. I'm going to upload an item, a PDF document. We do watermarking on the fly or default. I can create. Now you'll see my screens with the basic data. What you see in the bottom is records in context, where it shows the relationships, but we're not going to focus on that now. So if I click more and link digital object, I can go find the digital object. It is on my desktop in the demo folder, and I can select the file to upload. It will create it. Now you'll see the document is uploaded. On the screen, you'll see a few of the enhancements we made, the full collection management system. You can add provenance, do a condition assessment, spectrum data. We created a name entity recognition, which is artificial intelligence to extract entities. We extract, I'll show you now, we can generate a summary of the document and review the dashboard. On the settings, you can decide where to save the summary, and the extracted entities will go into subject, places, people, dates. You can scan for privacy, approve privacy, you have a privacy dashboard, and we have extended rights. So let's start by extracting the entity. So you can see there is no other data in here. I'm going to extract, so if I say extract the entities, you will see it picked up all the dates, all the places, all the organizations, and the people. It's not necessarily people, it could be reviewed. I can say review the link, and then you'll see there's the stuff we've done. I've just done AI 25, so let me review AI 25. I can then say, yes, these are all dates, I'm happy. I can create a link. These are all the places. Captain is actually not a place, so I can say reject this item, England, France, Holland, Lithuania. So these are all places, I'm happy. If it says match, it means it's already there as a place in AtoM. This is organizations. You can see I can actually remove areas if I don't like that. And I can edit the text. I can add the people, and I can say HMS Victory is actually not the person. You can reject it, or I can say it's actually an object, so let's not link it, we'll reject it. Scandinavian is actually an organization, and this is a person. And then you can say save. You'll see now it starts creating the link. So if I go down here and I click that item, you will see it's now added all the dates, all the places, people and organizations. I can then go further to say, generate a summary of this document for me. It will generate a summary. The summary in this case, you can see there's the summary. I can say close, and the summary will be saved in, if it refreshes, it actually saves into scope and so then I can say this is privacy checks. I can say these could have effect, so I can say I want to review this privacy, and I want to say this date is okay, but I don't want people to know that this is Stockholm. I actually don't want to know that there's this date. And if I go further, I don't want to say I don't want to show Lithuania. So you can decide what to redact. There's places and people, so you can redact. It also does the ID numbers. So it says enter there was marked for redaction. So I can then go back and see the stuff. I also have a visual redaction editor, so I can click it, but I'll show it on the other side. So if I go back to my item, here's the item. You will see it doesn't show the redactions because I'm logged in as an administrator. But the moment I log out and I go to the same item, oh, it's actually not published. So let me go back and say, go to AI test 25, not ATAI. Change the publication status to published. Update the status. So if you log out, let me copy the URL because it's quicker than to show. When I log out, when I open the item, you will see redactions. It will redact from the places on the right hand side, and everything you selected will be redacted. You can now see scoping content. That's actually where we did the summary, and you can see it's redacted here as well. Even if I download the file, it will be redacted. Let me log back into the system. You will see on the right hand side, I actually have a visual redaction editor. So if you didn't pick up something, I can say now, let's draw a redaction. I don't want to see Stockholm shipyard. I can select it. I can say save the redaction, apply it. Okay. Okay. Yes. There's the record. So if I now log out again and I get the same item, you will see it blocked out the shipyard. So you can totally have redactions on anything. So this is for now on redactions and some of the features we've done for the new AtoM.